Good day, welcome everyone. Great to see you guys. Great to have you today. Welcome everyone. Hey, good morning, good evening. Happy Tuesday times, right? How do you feel? What is it today? Is it the 10th of February? 10th of February, celebration times and great moments here. How are you doing, chat? Welcome. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Make sure to like the video, sign up for the giveaway. And I hope you can hear me well. Good day. Let's go. Come on. We'll take it slowly. We're going to take it slowly. Greetings out there, Fred. Great to have you. Look at that. So what's happening with the Nasdaq? We do have some news right now in 4 minutes, right? Core retail sales, rat for the news. And there's going to be some reaction. Certainly nothing wild. No. Nothing wild. Yeah, this is where we are for the 4-hour candlesticks. Markets recovered extremely well. Extremely well. Right, we got to do this. Inevitably, we got to do this. And this is where the big resistance comes for the 4-hour candlesticks, guys. Great to have you. Good morning. This is kind of the place. Monthly opening 526 right there is a pretty good target. But we have more than 1,000 points recovered from 5th of February. Market is not looking bad. Alright guys, so we're going to get started with the YRM trading today. Bring out the 5-minute for the moment. YRM is running their Valentine's promotion. From 88 bucks on the $50,000 account, it's down to 65 with my code. Right, so from 88 down to 65. And then the instant funded is also down from 540 to 450. Good evening. Great to see you guys. Come on. I'm going to trade this account, which is having 8 days of trading. We're at 697 profit above the initial balance because we had a day where we lost 4,600. The good part is we recovered at 4,600 loss. And we're in profit, $700. So I got my highest day around 1,650, and I'm gonna go with that one. Good morning, welcome guys. So I think that's decent. Let's just go ahead and share the presentation. Come on guys, do with me. Share the presentation in all the trading groups. Pretty much everywhere. Everywhere guys, you can do it. In all the Telegram, Discord, whatever, WhatsApp groups of traders, of nice chat communities. So we are live. Yeah, that's a great recovery. I think that was a pretty tough day, 4,600, and we're already up in profit. So I'm pretty relaxed for that one. You had a little stress with the other. Wouldn't say stress, but minimally concerned, right? Minimally concerned with the other accounts that are not in a good shape. We are getting rejected by the daily volume at average price here right now, sitting at the 340s. Yeah, this is still not convincing for me to trade anything for the moment. I'm not going to dive into. That's right. Yeah, good morning. Just have to wait a little bit and then you're going to get paid. Just have to wait. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Great to have you on board. Keep in mind we have a few seconds here for the core retail sales. Rat for the news. Come on, retail sales. We got a bit of volatility happening through 20 points. Coming out flat, 0% for the core retail sales. Much lower than expected. Oh my gosh, look at that. Much lower than expected on both sides. We're talking about the change in the value of sales at the retail level, excluding automobiles. 0. We got quite a difference there. Thinking about it, guys, the economy is not really enjoying the current numbers we have in the markets. Initial price action movement is down for sure. Look at that, guys. Don't be fooled by the initial movements. And this is a perfect moment for the whales to grab some liquidity from the retail. You just don't want to get trapped into anything that is noise. And let's just speak about something very important, and I would say highly educational. And this is for you traders. The cost of, let's put it the other way, the opportunity cost. And I'm speaking about the situations you should trade or situations you should avoid. One of the main criteria for decisions should be opportunity cost. You need to know there are situations where you can trade in a way more predictable markets than markets around the news or markets around the opening. So these situations do have an opportunity cost that I strongly believe it is quite high. And there has to be a reason for this to be worth it. Financially, from my standpoint, it's not worth it. Yet, of course, even technically, and the price action and the predictability behind the current situations are low in terms of performance, I would say. Right? So I do enjoy trading other situations where I have a predictability that's higher and the opportunity cost is low. Keep that in mind. You always got to keep that in mind. Opportunity cost. Do I get into this trade, or there's much better opportunities for me to participate? And we're looking at the objective environment conditions. We're not looking at subjective things. Right? We know objectively that the New York session opening, it is the way it is. We objectively know things around the news that are specifically red folder, nonsense volatility behind. So we objectively knew things. Good morning, welcome guys, great to see you. Great to have you grinding daily. Like the video, guys. Sitting above 100 people watching. Market is having a 50 points reaction here. Right, so it certainly enjoys that we have way less out there than the forecast, let alone than the previous numbers. So retail sales are suffering. Wondering about CPI coming through on Friday. We got a pretty packed up week for the upcoming days. Yep. Unemployment, non-farm employment change, unemployment claims, CPI for the Friday, 13th of February, Friday. Oh, Scramble underwater, look at that. And that's not a water, that should be a green tea. Yeah, the liquidity behind is not looking like a green tea. Hey, good morning, great to see you. Great to have you guys. That's a pretty good reaction. Let's not forget the daily opening, 363. Good morning. Yep. Good day. Hope you guys feeling blessed today. Looking at the market here, it's not my bread and butter here. It's not my bread and butter here. I'm still just watching. I'm still watching. And I'll take it slowly. Could be a rejection here, and if this thing holds... Got into a little short, guys. Come on, let's squeeze them all. Let's squeeze them all. I'm out. $475 profit. $475 profit. Quick money, but that's great. That's lovely. And it's a beautiful way to start off the Happy Tuesday times. Boom. Hey, that should be motivating you. Come on, guys. 475 profit. I've smelled the short. I've smelled the momentum, and that's the way I'm trading. Smelling the short, smelling the momentum, hitting the target, and pushing. YRM, that's what we're trading. Lovely, lovely. Prop firm. 150,000 instant funded, but they have two quite attractive offers. The 50,000 challenge comes at $65 right now with the Valentine's promo. Boom. Exactly. You got to underline 5 seconds later. 5 seconds later. Very important in trading in the market. You know, and that kind of speaks. When I see something, I know it works, I'm going for it. If I didn't saw it at 5 seconds prior, I'm not going for it, right? I'm not doing it. I'm not touching it. So instantly, as soon as I see something, as soon as I see the price section doing a specific behavior, I'm taking my shot. 50% of your profits at the withdrawal time needs to come from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. 50% of your profits. Right, so I gotta make here $8,000. That's where the target is located. And that means $4,000 needs to be made from trades that I held minimum 10 seconds. Which is not an issue. Like, certainly we don't do $10,000. Sorry, we don't do $4,000 in matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, right? So not an issue, never had an issue. And no one has an issue that it's not exploiting the system through all sorts of algos and softwares of trading and bots and whatnot, right? These days it's very popular to sell services of trading that are correlated with the AI. You know, if they put that keyword AI, automatically people associate it with success. Right, so let me buy something with AI because for sure that's going to bring me success in trading. Tactics to confuse the market makers. Certainly. Oh, I told you we had a session a couple of months ago when I was saying on the stream the opposite I was doing. And the thing worked out. So I'm 100% sure the market makers are having a good time watching the live stream. Some of them do participate in the giveaway accounts, and I don't think you guys believe that. But I have to tell you, I got their IPs, and their IPs are collated with a Wall Street. So, there you go. Oh, just speaking out the words. No, we're joking, guys. We're having a good time out here. Wall Street people out here for the giveaways, taking your shots. Well, look at this market here. Came down to grab the liquidity from the late longers and overexposed fellas. Thank you guys. Cheers, everyone. Make sure to join the Discord. You don't want to miss out on any big money. 200 EMA is giving support. Where's our Discord link? Here's the Discord link. You have to join the Discord. You just cannot. This is the place. You definitely want to be part. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to win the giveaway. Our will, let me tell you something. Our will is connected to the Discord statistics. And the will plus the ducks, and that's another story. But the will already knows if you're connected to the Discord. And on top of that, the ducks are, each one of them are sort of a way connected to the Discord, and they know if you like the video, a duck is motivated to swim faster. If you subscribe, it's even more motivated, and so on, right? So this is an interesting part here with this 1 minute candlestick that looks like it has momentum. Yet obviously this is a place of supply around the 50s, and I might just get trapped into a long here at the very top. So in other words, I'll sit down a little bit and let the markets run and allow some other people make money at this time, which I would love to see your P&L. I was thinking about doing a chat here on Discord with P&L and stuff like that. Maybe a channel with daily P&L. If you guys are not ashamed sharing your P&Ls, even when it's red. You see, we're talking about the possible trap. I'm reshorting this. You can't post your P&L. That's right. We know it. You don't have to post it because we know it. We can do channel for P&L. Yeah. And I think I was thinking doing a giveaway for the traders and having a trading competition, guys. But the problem is, how do I know you guys are not lying? Or not you specifically as persons, but how do we know the ones that want to lie are not lying with fake screenshots? How do we know? How do we monitor? Because I want to do a competition for traders, a weekly competition, and listen up guys, no one has done this, very important. Weekly competition, for those winning the competition of trading, I'll give you giveaway accounts for free. You don't pay anything for the competition. To participate, to join, you don't pay anything. But we need a way to make sure that the numbers you guys are going to claim are actually real. Not you specifically as a person, but this is most likely concerning for the people that would like to scam. Because I do know that there's going to be hundreds of scammers that are going to speak about numbers they have never ever achieved, right? And they'll take your money. So I need a system, I need a way to have access or to monitor properly the real numbers behind the performance, behind the accounts. I need a specific way to do that. And I don't have, right? Because I need access to your accounts and I don't need access and I don't want access. I actually don't want access. No, that's not good. We need a way for this thing to fully functional. Yeah, but a screen recording, if we're gonna have more than 100 people joining, right? Here's the videos about my trading strategies. You see them on the live stream. A screen record is not going to work. There's no way someone is going to look into those recordings. Hundreds of people will join. We need a good way, a good system, guys. But I don't want to do with demo accounts. I want to do with the accounts you guys are purchasing, and we're going to speak about which firms qualify, right? Right, I'll tell you, this firm is qualifying in the competition, this firm, and you just basically... But I do need a way Pro Flow. That's an interesting idea there. That offers a solution for prop firm P&L tracking. Right, so we need a way for people not be able to edit those things. We need a way that is completely transparent. Yeah, Steven, but we cannot do this with hundreds of people that will join. Prop flow. Let me just write that thing down. Let me note that. Prop flow. So in a way that you register on Monday your account, which one you would like to have it on the competition for the week. And that specific account with that number is going to be counted for the week, right? You know, Project X is going to disappear soon. Prop flow. Right. We have DC at the top there. There you go, Murphy. Solid price section here. A lovely rejection earlier on that. But nothing from the daily opening. Let's just hold around it. 363 daily opening. Expecting a form of rejection there. Beautiful. Reshorting it here for this account too. I'm out here. 335 profit. That's good. I'll keep that on this one. 335 profit. And I'd like to see how do I adjust here. We do have a daily opening reaction from rejecting. Right, so we certainly need a way to be able to monitor the reality and the truthness, the fairness behind the values people will express. Because people will say, well, I've made 5,000 in a week. And then showing a screenshot. I'm sick and tired of seeing screenshots. I see daily screenshots with each winner, quite a few screenshots with each winner. The YouTube username is perfect. The only thing that's missing basically is the email, of course. Scammers do not know the email you're signing up on the giveaway for the form. But they're trying, right? They're trying and someone is verifying these things. And we're wasting a lot of the time. They're trying. I'm gonna reshort it from the top. Make sure to sign up, guys. Like the video, be subscribed. Trading our YRM account, and we'll also trade a Lucid. We're gonna trade Lucid. Yesterday we made on 2 accounts 4,500 Lucid Flex challenge. Hopefully today we can just lock up there, make another 4,500, and just nicely bring it down to the stage of funded, because those Lucid Flex 150,000 funded stages are just insanely good. Prop flow, I'm gonna look into that, but in the meantime I'm gonna, you know, screenshot what died. It's not gonna work. People will edit these things, and the scammers, not all of them, of course. But I'm sure you guys don't want... we need a very strong bulletproof system for this one. Not with screenshots, probably with live links, you know, in a place where you can share your trading journal. No, my gosh. Silly rejection. Had to partially sell. Yeah. Had to partially sell. And accepted a temporary loss. Lucid Flex 50,000 payout cap. It's a very good payout cap, I'm telling you. You're paying 91 bucks and you're getting 2,000. Right now, it's 91 bucks, 40% off with Scramble coupon code. $91 and you're getting 2,000. It's insane. You're getting 1,800 net. That's certainly not a disadvantage. It's not a downside. Hey guys, great to have you. So we're gonna think about, guys, collectively what we could actually do in this case scenario. But you have to think about, we can do a trading competition weekly, and for the winner, I could share a massive account. These are not Lucid accounts, these are YRM accounts that we're trading. The giveaway is happening when I finish trading. On the stream when I finish trading. You gotta be here. There you go. Another retest here of the daily opening. I've DC'd a little bit. The giveaway is happening when I finish trading. Once I finish trading. On the live stream. Which Lucid Flex 50,000 is the best for beginner? Yeah, exactly. It's still pushing to the upside, but I just need a little retracement, guys. I've been DCing on the tops for a little 15, 20 points retracement so I can get myself out of this, because this is, you know, staircasing upwards, laddering up. Bring it down, baby. Come on. Having my cup of green tea. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Be subscribed, join Discord to participate in the giveaway. Yeah, it would be lovely if the firms would actually have a link. Just like Project X has a link to the dashboard and I can see the performance live, not screenshots, right? Nasdaq is better for a quick scalp. Nasdaq. Which account is on the giveaway? That's a massive surprise. You are going to see that when the giveaway happens. Now I'm focusing on trading. Yes, you can do scalping on Lucid Flex without problems. Yes. We're pushing once again, guys. Which is silly and tremendous. We got Double rejection on the 5-minute, and the third candlestick is still continuing to the upside. There's no damn rejection here. Look at that. Double rejection on the 5-minute from the daily opening. 363 is the daily opening, so it looks like it is not having enough. It looks like it is not having enough. We've got the flat hourly opening soon. I have to sell partially, guys. This is not looking good in a short here. We've been bouncing exactly from my level. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Thank you. We were nicely up here, almost $500. Now I have to deal with this. $375 is quite interesting for me if we get there. $375. Which is a level I'd like to re-short. Yeah. You can start your bots right now and get them heated up, get them ready, train, warm up. You can still build buffer and trade more. Yes, you can build buffer and trade more. You don't have to request a payout after 5 days. But if you want, after 5 days, you are allowed. So it's in that sense. Which is lovely. 5 days is a great timing. A lot of the people take payouts after 5 days if they can. Even if it's just a small payout. I mean, if it secures the account and you just... If you pay 240 right now, what is it? 240, 220, depends with my code. $220 or 180 or 190. Lucid Flex 150,000 best accounts. And if you're a very, very beginner with a smaller budget, then Lucid Flex 50,000. So Lucid Flex is having no consistency and no target on the funded stage. Good day, Jake. Good day, everyone. That's great. Extra 3,000 for buffer. That's kind of enough. Trading was good. Now, we're laddering up, guys. We are continuously laddering up, and we're not giving up. Tremendous. That's literally tremendous. We were up $500 on this account earlier. This is an interesting level. A 375. I'm paying attention. Looks like we've grabbed some liquidity from there. Well, the 25, it's just $21 extra, $21 extra. 21 extra. And what you get? You get $1,000 additional max loss for 21. At the price of 21, you get 1,000. While the 1,000 you get comes at the price of 70, right? So the first 1,000 comes at the price of 70, and an additional 1,000 comes at the price of 21. I'm out of this from here, 722 from this account. Lovely profit. Let's look into the other. Lovely, lovely, lovely over here too. Lovely profit on the other account. Look at that, guys. 722 profit, guys. 722 profit. Yeah, the ratio is good, but you care about basically the max loss opportunity. You care about what burns the account and what stops you from reaching basically the payout and gives you... Look at that crazy reaction here we've got. That's just terrible, guys. Nah. So bad to be in short, so bad. Look at that. We're just laddering up non-stop. Nothing has worked here. You know, the other account we made 722 and I'm happy about it. That's right. I mean, you can give it a try, simplistic videos, but certainly all the other mathematical things are not worth it. How do we trade intraday? Re-adding to my short here in this one. That looks bad. Yeah, I tested Ninja back in the day. How do we trade intraday? Intraday trailing is a little bit different. I'm not usually doing that when I have opportunities to do end of the day drawdown, which is not trailing, right? So the intraday always has to go basically with way lower targets for your entries and exits, right? So you certainly want to take it in way more steps that are smaller and pretty much accumulate smaller profits. Yeah. That's one thing. And the second thing you have to do with the intraday accounts is as quickly as possible, you have to go break even. As quickly as possible, break even. Because with intraday drawdown model, you have to minimize your losses. And that kind of requires you to go pretty quickly on break even. Pretty quickly, guys. So there's not much time for you and cushion you have to leave. You gotta act as soon as you have a couple of points in your direction and put the break even there. And you know this is usually ending up in being stopped out most of the time early, and then the market might run in your predicted direction. But you kind of have to do this with the intraday, because otherwise that model of drawdown is affecting you. Yeah, exactly. And you have to be very, very defensive. What a silly price action once again here. What a silly price action. I'm putting the stop loss and break even, guys. We should accelerate. Come on. It's touching the break even, man. This is nuts. I'm gonna reshore this one. $7.23 profit here. The other one is suffering. Yeah. But we could get nicely 10 points right here, and then I'm out of this silly trade. I've been trying to minimize losses on this trade since we were trading around the daily opening, right? Around the 60s. Adding a short here. And I'm gonna load up to this on the upside if we are. Good morning, great to see you, great to have you on board. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. 125,000 bucks. Share the video, share the presentation in all the trading groups, pretty much locally to your friends, neighbors, sisters, in the community of the city you're leaving. You want to make a billboard, some kind of promotion. I was thinking about running ads on Facebook and other how do you call these things? Social media. Running ads with our live stream. Paid ads. Paid ads and have, you know, 1,000, 2,000 people onboarded here. Increasing our community like that. I was thinking about running some ads. You know, if I tell people we do daily giveaways for free, they're gonna be onboarded. Good job, buddy. Good job. So many ducks. Well, if we have 1,000 people on the stream, you can always expect to have like 150, 200 winners, 300 winners of the ducks. You see, we need that strong nosedive red candle, and that's missing. Not even the flat hourly opening that we had right now did anything special. We're just laddering up. And I'm trying to milk this from shorts. Yeah, probably more bots, but we have the ability to control it. So you have time right now, Maddie. We have DC'd into this. Incredible. How we ladder up. Incredible. I want to open up my Lucid as well. Here we go with the Quant Tower. Come on, Lucid. What do you guys think about this short here? 30 points, 20 points. Wouldn't be bad. We should bleed into the opening. We should be bleeding into the opening. Come on, guys. Give me that lovely target there. What do you guys think about this? Let's choose you, right? I'm not going to set break even because they can revisit my entry. 382. And then knock me out. You're not going to see me touch this one with break even for the moment. No. I want to see a lovely triple red candle here downwards. I sold partially. Partially I sold. And then stop loss right there. Making another 70 bucks. We have $900 profit secured on this account. Yeah, all the dips have been bought up, but you know that's going to end soon. And the moment is going to end. I'm here to monetize my struggle, breaking the balls here, trying to short this thing. On this trade, we're still down a little bit, but I'm letting it open for the moment. Great to have you guys. Right, yesterday we made 4,000... we made 50% of the amount needed for Lucid Flex on 2 accounts. It was the first day of evaluation. Today is going to be the second day. For those 2 accounts, I'm going to trade them separately and still target 4,500. Stop loss right above the wick for that candle. Right above the wick. If it moves above the wick, it would actually touch my entry. So therefore, the gap between my entry and the wick is something there's no reason not to monetize. Right? 55 bucks profit for that. Great. Lovely. We're going to celebrate this one, even though on the other side, the other trade is a little under the water. This one has been great. 947 here. Boom. Some fireworks time. Probably I'm going to re-short here. I'm going to re-short there. Great day, Badger. Hope you're having a great time. Hope you're fine, buddy. Good to have you. Nothing has been filled up here. Some other contracts have been filled up. Some lovely liquidity grabbed. Lovely, right? Come on, guys. 30 points down. 30 points down. Kill it. Kill it, guys, with 30 points down. Oh. Thank you for that, Badger. Thank you for doing that. Reshorting on this account too. Nah. This is running, guys. Incredible. Look at that. Look at that price action. They are driving it. Yeah. They are driving it heavily. Not looking good. I'm out from this. That's a nice extension we had here in terms of testing out shorts from the highs. Yeah. I'm waiting. I am waiting. That daily VWAP 344 is quite interesting for me. 11 minutes to go and the market opens. I'm also reshorting here for the Quant Tower. Sorry, for Trade of 8. This is Tap on Futures Trade of 8. Reshorting here as well. Come on, guys. I don't think we're in a bad shape. Certainly. This could be an interesting time. So we pumped after a double top here. You just nicely engaged into possibly trapping people there, possibly, if that's the scenario these guys are trying to play out. $500 here profit for the Trade of 8. I'm not selling yet. I think we could get something juicy out of this. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go. It liked to once, but we need that liquidity. We just cannot get stuck here. Look at that. Lovely. Yeah, on that wick to the upside, you could have DC8. That's right. Nah. Yo, still pushing, guys. Look at that. Incredible. Let's see what pressure do we get here. Do they want to do any kinds of blow off top? Blow off top. This is a supply level on the 400s, delivering so far for the day. Even yesterday we had some troubles around the 400s. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know what I'm doing. It's very important for me and for our community to know that. Very, very important. Trading hopes in the market is a disaster. Thank you for letting me know. I never knew that. It's very important for me to know that. Very, very important. Never knew about it, and it's, you know, the first time I'm hearing and experiencing. Yeah. All time the GOAT. That's your name. All right. Lovely. Lovely. What else? What else do we have here? Any other advices? Anything around maybe gambling or something like that? Maybe you want to introduce that. I like that word. I like that word. When you speak about We get another buying pressure here, guys. Look at that. I also like playing spies too. It's just wild. I'll have to take a break. Exactly. I'll get into anxiety. No, I'm just joking. I don't care about this guy speaking like that. They have no idea what we're doing here and how we're doing here. They have no idea. I'm telling you something, guys. Nobody would be on the stream if we would not be able to help people. All-time the GOAT. 100% gambling. No, I think 1,000%. I think 1,000%. I bet for 1,000%. But the good part is, it's not your credit card here. That's the most important part, I think. It's not your credit card here, and you can relax, you can sit back, and maybe win the giveaway, right? But certainly not today. Certainly not today. You're gonna get a timeout here. What about this one? The other one? Kitty cat, 24 hours out. No more messages. We gotta focus on trading here and see how do we handle this. 5 minutes to go. 5-minute algo. Let's see what it gives. He's making millions and billions of dollars. We're trying to crack the code here. No, I do use stop losses, but a little bit different. Dump it at the opening. Well, I think I'm ready for that. Right? Guys, I think I'm ready for the opening dump, right? Opening comes in 3 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. Nah, I'm just, having a good time, guys. No. With this trolls, right? Just hope losses are smaller. Oh my gosh, we should speed. We should speed below 385 here. We should speed, but that reaction once again from the dirty bulls. Oh my god. Getting to my nerves. Come on, below 385 quickly. We don't have too much of a time. Take it below 385 quickly. You guys are sitting in shorts printing, and I am sleeping on it. Look at that. 3 minutes to go, and we gotta take this business to the next level. Criticism, but there is basically constructive criticism and really enjoyable and educational discussion, and then there's just, bullshitting and tire kicking type of words. Empty words. I want to make money. I don't care if that's something that it's being called in any way, right? Look at that silly price action. We should have been speeding up below 385 and we didn't. I don't like that. Because we could take the high of this structure before or during the opening and then wick down. But I do think there's going to be any price action below 385. Of course, there's a risk with that being said. Oh, lovely, 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 lovely. We got into some shorts here. Thank you, market makers, for putting that fat finger on the keyboard. But now what do you do? Oh my god. What do you do, fat market makers? We got some lovely trades on Quant Tower. Let me open up and share with you quickly. Big money made on Quant Tower here. Scrambo is still running around the gambling mode. Look at that. We're making good money, guys. Come on, print it. Quant Tower Lucid accounts are printing. Keep it going. Keep it going. Who's on fire today? Who's on fire today? We got to short this one. I'm out from this account here. I'll put break even. I'll put break even on some. I'll put break even on some. I'll put break even. I'll put break even. I'll sell 5 contracts here. Yeah, and stop loss break even for this one. So I'll let you win, guys. I just put a break even there. And I'm letting the whole thing run. This is lovely, guys. This one. Oh my gosh, what's happening on the other side? Few seconds to go. I'm out from here. I sold it. And I'm back into my Quant Tower. I'm out here. Oh my gosh. How do I quickly close everything, guys? Oh my gosh. I couldn't close it all quickly on all the accounts. So I made profit on some. But the others touched the break even. We made money. We made money on some. And we're going to look into very soon what's been happening here. We made money here, for example. 1755. Fly me to the moon. Boom. There it is, guys. There it is. Wow, look at that strong move. They're not playing, guys. They're not playing games here. No, no. We were back to the daily opening. Can you see that? We touched the daily opening, and now they're not playing games. I'm backing along here. Let me test the waters. I'm not expecting anything wild. Let me just test the waters. Look at this one, guys. Stop loss break even. We'll touch the break even. But we have 2,600 here. Right? Profit. 2,600 here. That's good, guys. 2,600 here profit. I'm being honest with you. That's pretty good. Got back in my trade here. We're trading minis here. A lot of accounts have been busted on this one. 2,000. Let's go. Thank you so much, guys. So we're trading Lucid. Look at that lovely move, guys. We need 4,500 here today. This is a Lucid Flex account. I'm splitting stop loss and break even. I'm increasing my trailing there. It's good. We have 2,663. It's good. Thank you so much, guys. This is Lucid Flex 150,000 evaluation stage. Lucid Flex accounts on their funded stage do not have consistency, do not have target. You have complete freedom to trade. Lucid Flex accounts right there, 40% off right now. It's scramble coupon code on the evaluations. Massive discount. So that's good money that we made there. Retesting along here from the lows we just grabbed. Look at that. Look at that. Stop loss break even. Come on, guys. All the way back to the top. All the way back to the top. Stop loss break even. You know, that's our rule number 1. Before we can talk about how greedy you can be with the profits, right? You don't want to underestimate the break even. Certainly not. Touch the break even there. I don't have anything opened. Well, I do have something here, guys. Look at that. I'm out. We're 900 profit from being down quite a lot. We're going to celebrate. We're 913 profit here from being down quite a lot. And this is also nicely up. Stop loss and break even. Let it run. Let it run, baby. Look at that. Let it print. How much money? Stop loss break even. We got lucky with that break even there. We got lucky with that one there. Oh, they touch it. We've grabbed the low once again. Time to see if it runs right now after taking the wick once again. Let's see. We're touching the 200 EMA. This is quite brutal. We have today's low here, 278. But the purple line is 335, 200 EMA for the 5 minute. Could be an interesting level to hold. Daily loss is 4,500 for the YRM. Yep. It's running aggressively, guys, but we touched that 300s. Oh, I did forget about my trade of a trade. Look at that, 8,000 bucks. I forgot about my trade of a trade, guys. The trade of a short we had, $8,000. Look at that. I gotta get out this. This could actually pump. I forgot about the trade of a trade, guys, for the top 1 futures. Totally forgot about it. 8,500. I'm out. Look at that place we got into. Look at the place we got into and the place we sold. Totally forgot about this one. We made 7,904. Look at that. For the top 1 futures, this trade of a trade. Look at that one, guys. Oh my god. Totally forgot about this one. It's going back. Yeah, the 5 minute closing here above the purple line. The next 5 minute could be lovely and green, right? What do you guys think about? But I do have to lose some money. What do you guys think about? Yeah, I'm still gonna long this one, but I do have to lose some money here, right? Look at that. We have 8,000. We don't need that much. I still have to lose some money. I'm gonna long this one. We have way too much. Way too much. That would have been lovely on the Lucid Flex for sure. Exactly. Sean takes profit. There you go. We don't need 8,000 there. I'm happy to lose 6,000. 6,000, I'm happy to lose that 6,000. I'm happy to lose 6,000, guys. I don't need 8,000 there. Bring it down. Come on. I'm out. Oh my gosh, look at that dump. That was not difficult to lose at all. We just quickly dumped 100 points. This is a level that we could actually support on the 300s. This is another account, be careful with that. You know, it's hard to keep that money. Much better not to keep it. Much better just to get rid of it. Quite crazy price action, don't you think the same? Quite crazy. We made a new low, but we also touched the weekly volume weighted average price, guys. 268. Quite crazy out there. Oh, lovely reaction. Lovely, folks. Lovely reaction there. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, like the video. Let's bring up those numbers. Like the video. We're about to pass a Lucid Flex. $6,000, $5,000. Look at that. Crazy, right? I'm selling this one. I'm also going to sell partially here, guys. We made a lot. I'm putting the stop loss. I'm going to trail the rest of it. Scrambles and fire. And I make too much over here too. I'll have to adjust that soon. I'll have to adjust that soon, guys. I think we passed a Lucid Flex evaluation, guys. I think we passed this one. I think we passed this one, guys. I'm out here. There's so much lag behind Quant Tower, but I'm out. I'm out of this trade. 4,685. I just want to confirm this one, guys. I don't know why is this thing showing up as an active trade. Like fee $17 there. It's stuck there. But let me double check basically on my dashboard for the Lucid, guys. I think we passed that evaluation, I think. We'll see. I think I have to refresh Quant Tower, right? Boom! So where is my Lucid dashboard? Where is it? So this one is also, we made too much here. In here we made 5,429 today on this one. Look at that, chat. 5,429 on this one, chat. We made too much. This is it on Lucid. It's telling me that I shouldn't cross 4,500. Yesterday we made 4,200. Today we made 5,400 here. I should lose 1,000 on this one. So let's just go ahead and lose 1,000. And we're going to lose 1,000 by longing the price action here and putting a stop loss right there. Let's just lose 1,000. Yeah, very quick on Lucid, very quick. I need consistency, but I shouldn't cross 4,500. And that shows me in 2 days we passed the evaluation. In 2 days. And I think I have another account that yesterday we made money on that one too, sitting in a very good shape. It's just, I think we touched, right? Yeah. Should be fine here. Looks like the P&L didn't got updated or something. Because we lost and we hit a target. This thing is not updating. It's not updating. Oh, guys, what do you think about this? Look at this trade evade. Look at a trade over here, guys. 8,000 bucks. 8,000, $9,000 on trade evade, guys. Come on, let it run. 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 We got to do 4 digits, guys. Clean profit here. Run. Come on. Run, guys. Come on. I'm going to get an exit. It's a little bit too much, guys, here. It's a little bit too much here. I'll have to lose, right? No, this is having consistency. 20% consistency, guys. 20% consistency. 20% consistency. And the target is 6% for the account. The account is 150, so 6% is 9 grand. Totally 9 grand. Not in a single day. So I should not make more than divide 9,000 by 5. It's what? 1,800. Divide 9,000 by 5 is 1,800 bucks, guys. So I shouldn't make more than 1,800. So that's why I'm gonna lose something. Lose something. 20% consistency on 10,000 bucks. But I have to lose. We shouldn't make more than 1,800. Come on, guys. Scrambos and fire. Look at that lovely entry. And why is this not happening on a flex, on a funded account flex, guys? Why is this thing not happening on a funded flex account? We only need 1,800. I'm going to get out of this soon. You know, it would be an interesting challenge, right? To secure 10,000 here, it would be an interesting challenge. Securing 10 grand and then trying to do the same thing over the next 5 days and then having 50,000 bucks. Yeah. 12,000 right now. Are we going back to the 400s? Laddering up? I have to stop this somewhere and start losing, right? In the meantime, I'm going to refresh. Look at that. 14, 15,000 bucks. I'm out. There you go. They stopped me out. Market fill. 166 in the account. We made too much money. 15, 16 grand. 166 in the account. That means 16 grand profit. I think they're not allowing you to make more than 15 or 16. Celebration time. I think they're not allowing you. Because they stopped me out on profit there. And they added the profit to the account. Now it's time to lose, right? It's time to lose something. Well, let me look into the charts and see. Look at that lovely reaction here. Ho ho ho. That's a juicy, lovely reaction. Unsurprisingly. You know why? Because we got stuck here on the weekly volume with an average price. Yeah, why couldn't be Lucid Flex? You know, I think it's going to remain like this, guys, with today, 15 grand. It's going to remain like this, which means I have to do 5 times 15 grand. What is it, 75 or what is it? 5 times 15. It's $75,000. That's a good challenge, guys. That's a good challenge. It's going to be on this account for TradeAvate. So let's see what's happening here on Quantower. Let me just reset Quantower, restart Quantower, because I'm back to the daily opening, insane price action. I don't know why the balance is not updating on Quantower for some reason. Yeah, you certainly want to call yourself a market maker today. Boom. Big money out there. Lovely for the Lucid. Lovely for the YRM. All the way above the daily opening, 385. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Let's see what's happening for the Quant Tower. Why is this thing not updated? There's still too much money made here, and we gotta lose something. Well, let me double check that one if Quant Tower worked. Hopefully it did. Otherwise, we have to lose 1,000. Like the video, guys. Come on. Yeah, it was a huge day, guys. Huge day today. Huge day. No, we still have to lose 1,000 here for the Quant Tower for the Flex accounts. Here, guys, we have to lose $1,000 here. So I'm gonna long it. We have to lose 1,000 here. That's the wrong account I opened the trade. I've shorted. I've shorted, guys. We have to lose 1,000 here. Come on. There's too much money made here. We gotta lose $1,000. Yeah, 700-800 maybe. But I don't need more than 4,500 for the Lucid Flex 150k. 50% consistency of 9,000. 9,000 is 6% of the target. Right? I don't need more than 4,500 in a day if I want to keep the same target. Like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Yeah, all the hoping worked today. Exactly, AZ. There you go, that's the best comment. So in a nutshell, guys, it looks like all the gambling and all the hoping worked today. Where's that guy that was lecturing us? Where's the guy? Where is that guy, and why did he vanish away when now it's time for dialogue? I think we're gonna hit that. I think we're gonna hit that. Time for dialogue. Come on. Pick up the phone, buddy. Where is that guy? Pick up the phone. Come on. Hey, listen up. Pick up the phone, man. I like to talk to you about what's happening here. And I like some explanations because I don't know what's happening. I've been expecting something else. You're still long from 275. Alright, so that means you want to do some giveaways for our community with that much money you made. Moji. You want to give back to the community. Come on, we gotta lose 700, 800, 900. We can't lose on this one. What if it pulls back all the way down to 300s? We have to lose money here. Why is this short making money? Picking a number from 0 to 1,000. From 0 to 1,000. What if we do from 0 to 1,000? Look at that, guys. Instead of losing, we're making. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to raise the bar, 10,000. You know that's the way the giveaways are going to be. If I start running some paid advertising on social media with the live stream, a bunch of people will join the live stream daily. It's a lot easier to make money when you're trying to lose, exactly. It's a lot easier. I was thinking about it at some point when I had a bad streak. I was thinking about like this. What if I open up in a single account, and always the same account, the trade I want to do with a single micro, and then the accounts I want to make money do exactly the opposite with normal sizing. So think about it. That should make money, right? Think about it, guys. So you have an account that you always trade what you want to trade, and you do minimum sizing, 1 micro. And then on the account you want to make money, you trade the opposite on real sizing. Think about it. Wouldn't you make money with that one? If the trades you want to do bring you losses today, it means you have to trade against that. I think it's a thing to do, guys. Hedging is not allowed. No, but you do it on you do the trade you want to do based on the technicals, based on all the things on demo. Obviously you don't do it on the prop firm. You do it on a demo account, on TradingView or somewhere else. So you know, exactly on the same platform, but on a demo. You do that trade on a demo, and then the trade you wouldn't do, you do it on the real accounts. Somebody's saying if you buy 2 accounts, on one you buy and the other one you sell, you make money the way and get paid out. Guru, you say you can do longs and shorts at the same time on the same prop firm, right? And then complain you didn't get paid, right? Right, so that's what you have. Those are the steps. You do long on an account, you short on the other. Prop firm is gonna stop you, is gonna ban you. You reach out on Trustpilot and you say you got scammed, you have not been paid. That's the strategy. Guru. Thank you, guys. Different prop firms. None of the prop firms will allow you to do hedging, and you cannot be hedging between the prop firms. Like, you cannot do longs on Lucid, shorts on Tap on futures, because they will knock you out. You have TradingView pay-per-trade, I guess. Good job, market makers. Time for gold to have a break. Time for gold to allow Bitcoin for some nice sessions. But we cannot lose $800 here, guys. There's a problem with me today. We cannot lose $800 here. Guru, I'm gonna track you down and I'm gonna send your email to the prop firms to verify your activity, Guru. I'm gonna track you down after I finish the stream here today. I'm gonna send your email to the prop firm to make sure they verify you. Because I know you're doing that. So I want to make sure prop firms are aware about you. Sorry, no, sorry. But we cannot lose $500 here, and I think there's still an account where I have to lose. You're not doing it. Okay. Well, we're gonna have the prop firms telling us the reality. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it if you're not doing it. Why are you worried? Like, if you're not doing it, just tell me, yes, Scrambo, do it. Oh, Guru, so you don't have a prop account yet, which means what are you hunting today? Tell me a little more about your activity. Are you hunting something like a giveaway or something like that? Lovely, lovely profit hitting. But the profit on the negative side, yes, that's what we needed. Great, 4,400 celebration time, guys. Celebration time, Scrambo's been on fire. And the prop firms got terrified today because we need to do another 300 bucks tomorrow or something like that for this one. And it's gonna get funded on the Lucid. And then, just like we made on Tradeovate. Have you seen that on Tradeovate, guys? It's tremendous. On Tradeovate, we made so much with a tap on futures. Today's P&L, look into that, guys. Today's P&L here, 14,554. Guru, tell me, Guru. Tell me a little more. $14,554. Sorry, too much profits. If you send me your account, I am having the ability to send you some profits there. Right? What about if this feature would be, guys, to do profit transfer between users? What do you guys think about? If the prop firms would allow us to do profit transfer, do you want me to suggest the prop firms this idea to do profit transfer? Right, so I take my account and I transfer you $1,000 profit today. For example, instead of losing right now, which could be silly, right? Why not sending 10,000 people to our community members? Tell me, guys. Do you have anything against that? This is 150,000 instant funded. With 20% consistency. 20% consistency. I think, guys, we should collectively propose the prop firms to allow us to transfer funds between accounts to different users. Like we're transferring money, right, on different apps. Baby came into the office, is crying. Huge tax issues. Ho ho. They're gonna hunt you down. But tell me, guys, would I get enough endorsement from you? Would I get enough endorsement from you by supporting this idea? I need endorsement from you guys. Scrambo, get me giveaway. I will log on your stream every day. Sure, but probably not today. And certainly not starting with today. 30 minutes off for our guru. Not much. 30 minutes is enough to just calm down and relax. And have a good time, basically. Once we finish the giveaway, right? He's going to be back once we finish the giveaway. Exactly. You saw it coming, right? So, what else do we have to do today? Market is making new highs, is breaking above yesterday high. Oh, so let's see. Crazy amount of money we make, guys. Fireworks. Yeah, fireworks, because here we made 4,570. We didn't make right now, we made like, 10 minutes earlier when we had a bunch of trades running. And this is sitting on 155,825, right? So that's in a good shape as well. This is the account. Yesterday we made 1,255. Today 4,570. I can tell them, "Hey guys, you know, our community had a lovely idea, introducing the possibility of transferring profits from an account to the other to different users. This is what our community came up, and I'm gonna endorse their idea, and they're endorsing my credibility, so I'm out here proposing something revolutionary." Alright guys, so let me take a break of a minute, and as soon as I'm back, we do the giveaways, right? Because it's hard for the ones that are here for the only purpose of the giveaways, and there's some people here, their only purpose here is for the giveaway. It's hard for them to keep waiting, and I feel that, guys. So I'm gonna be on break a minute, just to calm my nerves. I'm joking, I'm not nervous at all, guys. I just want to get out and see why is she crying. She's 2 years old, and she came into the office expecting at this time to be off already. So I'm gonna see her, my daughter, and I'm back basically. Left no choice. Guru at this time is passed away. Lovely time, guys. I'm back in a minute. Listen up, back in a minute. We made a lot today, back and forth. 2 accounts are pretty close to the payout. Sorry, not payout. 2 accounts are pretty close to getting funded. One needs another 3,000. But there's 2 accounts that are close to being funded. Tomorrow is the day I am planning to take them on the funded stage. So you want to be out here celebrating with me, guys. Quite a few children, quite a few. And hopefully many more to come. So, I'm back in a minute, guys. Thank you, guys. One minute, I'm back. Be right back in a minute. I'll set you there right there. Be right back. There you go. 1 minute away. And then we do the giveaways, right? So we're going to take that break and see. Let me tell her I'm finishing soon. Take your time, guys. Look at that. Market is 60 points off right now in a matter of a few seconds. 60 points. Back to the daily opening. Back to the daily opening, folks. What's up? So, back to the daily opening. And we're bouncing from it. The question is, yeah. Alright, so let me get out of Quant Tower. We made enough there. Very good day, guys. Very good day. No, it's just terrible. 14,000 bucks there. $14,000 there. On Intraday. How do I get out of this? By making 5 times more, right? I certainly need that profit transfer feature turned on somehow. Take care, Fred. See you soon, guys. How do I fix this, guys? 14 grand profit here. Tap on futures. Good. Alright guys, so get ready for the giveaway. What you gotta do, like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. Time for me to open up all the links. Right. Lovely reaction there. You can restrict the profit. Yeah. If they would have allowed daily payouts, we would have been celebrating here with a champagne already. So, I need a ducks. Actually, in the wheel, I need a ducks. What else do I need? Time for the giveaways, guys. And I need a formula to verify soon. If some of you are playing games. How is gold? Alright guys, so the first giveaway is tap on futures. $25,000 Sim Pro account. Tap on futures, $25,000 Sim Pro account. How do you participate? How you join? We're playing a game, guess the number. You're gonna see the numbers on the wheel appearing soon. And you have a single guess. You have to be signed up on our giveaway form. That's the first thing. Then like the video, be subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, turn on. Join our Discord. Yeah, Badger is here. Good. So I'm putting together the numbers. Guess the number, guys. From 0 to 9, every single number appears once. 0 to 9, you can start right now. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. Guess the number. One guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Best of luck, everyone. 25,000 instant funded tap on the future Sim Pro account we're giving out to you. Enjoy your day and chill out. Best of luck, everyone, from 0 to 9. Today, all the 3 giveaways we're going to do will be under the following ratios. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. That's going to be the outcome. Best of luck, everyone. Even Steven, come on. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being here. We had a lovely stream today. A very powerful one, by the way. And stop right there. No more guesses. No more. That's it. Yes, this is instant funded. Shuffle. And we're good to go. Instant funded. Number 4 is not going to be. Number 9, no. Number 8, no. 7, no. 3, no. 6, no. Could be the number 5, but I don't think so. That might be the 0, guys. Let's see. And that's a 0. Yeah, that's going to be very interesting around the bubble out this year, for sure. Haven't tested it yet. But I heard great things about it. Great things about it. So we got the 0. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. We're gonna pick the winners here. I don't think we have today that many. Some will certainly be out here. Lovely. 29, look at that. 29 winners. 30 seconds competition time, not much. We can start. Best of luck, everyone. Tap on the futures, $25,000 instant funded. Sim Pro account. Good luck, everyone. That's always been 0 for the past couple of days. And then we have a session without... No, we have actually a week without the 0. Who's speeding up? Who's speeding up? Who's ready? Trader 07 with a purple duck. Look at that one, Trader 07. Who you got this? Trader 07 on the Nasdaq. Hey, congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's just verify if you have filled out the form. Trader O. Yes. Congratulations. You did complete the form, Trader 07. Congratulations, buddy. Tap on the futures, $25,000 Sim Pro account goes out to you. Congratulations. There you go. Lovely. Alright guys, so continuing, second giveaway. 50k Lucid Black. 50,000 Lucid Black at this time. Get ready guys. From 0 to 9, you can guess the number. You can start right now from 0 to 9. Start right now from 0 to 9. Guess the number, guys. Best of luck. The form of the giveaways to participate is pinned in the chat and is also on our Discord. You have to join our Discord. It's for free. That's the place our traders are gathering, sharing useful educational informations, and we're helping each other in a great environment for productive activity, and for sure, financially juicy at some point. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. $50,000 Lucid Black. Stop right there. Shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. Tell me, guys, what do you expect right now? What do you expect? No 6, no 0, no 4, no 8. Could it be number 5? Could be. Could be the number 5. It's not going to be the number 5. Oh my gosh, that is terrible. What happened, guys, with the pedal? The pedal didn't stop on the 5. That's crazy, guys. And it's the number 9. Look at that. Congratulations for the winners. Good job. That was so painful on the number 5. So painful. So painful. Number 9 for the winners. $50,000 Lucid Black account. 20 winners out there with a dog puck at the top. Look at that. At the top of the list, dog puck. Sean La Rosa is here and many other. 30 seconds will compete. Start right here. Start right there. Best of luck, guys. You see, I've helped some people with a push. I've helped some people with a push. It's not that bad. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Who's speeding up? Trading for keeps. There you go. Congratulations, Oliver, on the second. Hey, that was so close. We're gonna see if trading for keeps is here. But you are good to go. Let's find it out. Trading for keeps. Oh my gosh. Trading for... Yes, it is here. It is here. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah. 07 is winning back-to-back. Not the same profile, but the 07 is winning back-to-back. So the third giveaway, we're starting soon with it. Third giveaway will be 50K YRM. 50K YRM. Third giveaway. Congratulations. So, same numbers, guys. You can start right now. Start right now. Same numbers. Start right now. Let me know your guess. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. Start right now. Best of luck, everyone. We've got today on the wheel the 0 and the 9. And now for the third giveaway. Who knows? Some people might say, well, this is just like the trading. Who knows? But I would disagree with that. This is not like trading. Who knows? This is pure gambling, right? Or pure luck. Trading is different. Start right there. Stop, sorry. Let me just put stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, stop, instead of start, stop, stop, stop. Good luck, guys. Waiting for the numbers. From Badger. Hopefully we did not mess it up by writing twice start. I think Badger is still here. Yeah, we've got it. 26. There you go. 26 winners. 26 winners. Quantum is here. 30 seconds competition time, guys. We need to start right now. Best of luck, everyone. Thank you, Badger. Thank you. Five seconds to go. 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Train with Luan. There you go. We got a new winner out here. Train with Luan. Alien, JC Rotary. Look at that one. So close, so close. We got Train with Luan. It's time to see if you filled up the form. There you go. Congratulations. You did fill up. You are fully confirmed. Congratulations, buddy. We did spin the wheel. Or we didn't? Let me verify that. Did we spin the wheel, guys? I can't remember. Tell me. Let me see. Did we spill? We didn't spill the wheel? So we didn't spill the wheel, guys. So we have to do that again. Let's do it, guys. I totally forgot about it. Thinking about something else. Let's spin the wheel. Alright. New number. Badger, we didn't spin the wheel. There's not going to be 631, no. Could be the number 9, guys. Could be the number 9. But that's so close with the number 8. Look at that. So close. And that's the number 8. Look at that. That's the number 8, guys. Look at that. I forgot about spinning the wheel, guys. I'm sorry. But we got this number 8. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You saw how the pedal worked today? That's insane. I'm always pushing it slightly just for you to get tilted, right? So number 8 basically for the last round, Badger, number 8. 20 winners. There you go. 20 winners out there. Shuffle, start. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck there. Yeah. Twister, that's right. It's the worst moment to win. It's the worst moment to win, right? 2 seconds to go. Nick Taylor. Congratulations, Nick Taylor. There you go. Nick Taylor right there. AD on the 4th. Nick Taylor. Did you fill up the form? Yes, Nick Taylor. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you, guys. Train with Luan. You were going through the emotions. Roller coaster today for you, buddy. Congratulations to the winners. But we didn't spin the wheel at that time, so you got trapped out. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. Have a lovely day, lovely time out there. What's happening here in the markets? Well, gold is dumping and it's just disappearing. But once again, guys, thank you so much. Thank you, Badger. Thank you, folks. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Scramble coupon for the best discounts. Looking forward to it tomorrow. Taking 2 of my flexes, maybe 3 of my flexes into funded stage tomorrow. 2 of them are very, very close. 1 of them still needs 3 grand. We forgot to spin the wheel. It's good we didn't forget about printing on the money today. That's the good part. I've been a little bit off, guys. So thank you so much. Thank you. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Peace. Be careful out there. Do not make too much money.